Sean DeTore investigates.
Hello, friendos. Welcome to another edition of Sean DeTore Investigates. My name is Sean, and I'm here to investigate. What I'm going to be investigating today is the myths that surround soda pop. And one of the myths that surrounds soda pop, or soda, or pop, is tapping on the top of a pop can to relieve some of the explosion that'll happen after it's been shaken up. Jane, where are you at? Well, there's another myth that surrounds soda pop, and that's if you eat Pop Rocks and then drink soda directly after, will your stomach explode? I don't know. I'm hoping not, but we'll see. And then you find here I've got some pennies right there and some cups. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try to dissolve a penny in some soda. I read online, because I researched, that it would take about 2 to 3 days, and that ultimately it doesn't work. But we'll find out at the end of this investigation if that is in fact true. Okay, alright, so we've got some Big K Cola. What I'm going to do is I'm going to shake this can up, and then I'm going to open it up, and hopefully there'll be a huge explosion. Now, what's happening is that there's lots of bubbles in here, and they're going to cling to the sides and bottom of the can. Now, we all know that gas is lighter than liquid. When you open a can, even if you don't shake it, what happens is the gas comes out, and with it comes a little bit of liquid because there's bubbles in the way of the gas. So the gas is going to bring along with it liquid. So now I'm going to open this can because my arm's getting really tired. All right. So as you can see, it's pretty good. As you can see, shaking a can, opening it directly after, definitely an explosion. Now this one here, I'm going to shake up and then tap on the top of the can. And hopefully, by tapping on the top of the can, that's going to displace some of the bubbles that are on the side of the can, the bottom, the top. And so hopefully by tapping, I don't know how many times I need to tap on it. Switch arms. But maybe I'll tap on it like 10 times. I think that's a good round number. So hopefully I'll displace enough bubbles. I just love using the word displace. It makes me sound like I'm really scientific. So hopefully I'll tap on it enough. Some of the bubbles will get displaced. And there'll be a minimal to no explosion. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Maybe some more. Okay. Tapping. Ooh. A minimal explosion. A minimal explosion. So I think what we've found here, folks... Hold on. Delicious. I think what we've found here, what we can say, is that tapping on the top of a soda can actually does work. You still get a little bit of an explosion because you don't know how many bubbles you've displaced. But I think investigation so far is good. Tapping on a can does indeed work. Now what I'm going to do is drink half of this soda, then I'm going to eat all these Pop Rocks, and I'm going to drink the other half of the soda, and, you know, I may or may not die.
A lot of Pop Rock.
So, soda and Pop Rock creates a crazy concoction in my mouth of, it's like, it foamed up. Seriously, I could not hold that in. It foamed up, so I had to spit it out. I wasn't doing that to be funny or cool. I was doing that because it was chemistry working against me. My belly feels okay. So the myth was expelled. Nothing happens, except for, you know, spit up everything. Next myth we're going to try to bust is supposedly you can dissolve a penny in soda. So what I'm going to do is put a penny in this cup and pour some soda in there. And I've read that it takes 2 to 3 days to fully dissolve a penny. And I've also read that after the 2 to 3 days it doesn't actually work. It just kind of really cleans the penny off. So these pennies aren't particularly that dirty. Let me see if I have something else in my pocket that's a little dirtier. Here's one. It's from 1980. It's a good year. Good year. Okay, we've already learned about bubble displacement. So there we go. So we'll just leave that penny in that soda for the investigation has to be done on Friday. And Jamie's not gonna be here to edit it on Friday, so tomorrow we'll check on it, which will be about 2 days. Hola! So this is day 2 of DeTore Investigates. So the last experiment that I did, I think, was the putting the penny in the soda to see if it would dissolve. We'll take a look. It's been 1 day. Maybe it'll be cleaner. I don't know. So this is the same solution. Whoa! Whoa! That is pretty amazing. That is pretty amazing. It actually cleaned off the penny. Like, if it was going to be in there for like another day or two, this thing would be brand new. All right. Well, I tell you what, I might even do this at home with another penny and leave it in for a week and see if it dissolves. I don't know if it will, but I'll have a hell of a lot of clean, new-looking money.
DeTore Investigates.